The UK's Stormer armoured vehicle, a mobile platform for the Starstreak high-speed missile system, is set to enter a new chapter in its history. The Army is set to retire this iconic piece of equipment, a decision driven by the ongoing modernization of its anti-aircraft defenses. A versatile platform that has served the British Army for decades, the Stormer has proven its worth in a range of operational environments. Its ability to deploy and engage airborne threats quickly has made it an invaluable asset. The evolving nature of warfare, coupled with the development of more advanced technologies, has necessitated a reevaluation of the Stormer's role. The decision to retire the Stormer was further influenced by the recent deployment of 6 vehicles to Ukraine. These vehicles have played a vital role in supporting Ukrainian forces in their defense against Russian aggression. While the Stormer's performance in Ukraine has been commendable, the Army now faces the challenge of replenishing its stockpile. When the Army looked for a replacement for the Stormer, it considered a 4x4 vehicle that closely resembled the American Humvee. This new platform, which is still in development, offers a number of advantages over its predecessor. Its smaller size and improved maneuverability make it better suited to operations in urban and confined environments. In addition, its modern design incorporates advanced technologies that increase its survivability and effectiveness. The choice of a vehicle like the Humvee as a potential replacement for the Stormer reflects the Army's desire to maintain a level of familiarity among its personnel. The Humvee, which has been widely used by the British military in the past, is a well-known and trusted platform. By choosing a similar design, the Army can minimize training requirements for its soldiers and ensure a smooth transition to the new equipment. The retirement of the Stormer marks the end of an era in British military history. This iconic vehicle has served its country with distinction, protecting against aerial threats and supporting operations around the world. As the Army looks to the future, it is clear that the need for effective anti-aircraft defense remains as important as ever. The decision to replace the Stormer with a modern and versatile platform demonstrates the Army's commitment to maintaining its readiness and protecting the nation's security.